yellow. That's Phoebe's food. Sorry. So yeah, Phoebe, she likes the puppy mash, which is puppy kibble, put through a blender, mixed with goat's milk. Shush, Jazz, you're in a crate because you're a bastard. So Phoebe likes that, or she likes the cheap kibble that's for my fat dogs. So she's got a mixture of puppy kibble and the cheap stuff in there because she'd rather eat the cheap stuff than the stuff that's good for her and her babies. So I feel like it's a reasonable compromise for her to have a bit of both. Judas, shut up. And obviously she finishes up whatever they don't on their own food. Turn this off for 10 minutes while I film a video. I'm sure you'll all survive. You. So yeah, I'm still not well. But it is a Monday, so I have contacted the GP. And I royally messed up this morning. Well, yesterday, because I forgot to pull out some raw to defrost for them for their breakfast. They've had to have a different breakfast, but they'll have raw later. You're a chunky boy, you are. This is Miss Yellow. This is Miss Yellow. Yeah. But yeah, the markings are coming through all the time. Like this purple's getting marks on her legs. You just getting more round out, aren't you? Yeah, it's Mr. Blue, I think this is. Yeah, this is Mr. Blue. He's a little cuddle bug. Yes. So yeah, basically, if I'm around and supervising, I can leave food in here with the girls. Or I've got to shut the dogs that jump in here in crates or in another room to stop them pinching food. So I'm sorry if I'm hard to understand. This is as much voice as I've got. This puppy was Mr. Lime Green, but he's turquoise now because I didn't have the lime green in this bigger size. So Mr. Green is over here. You can see the difference in colour. Do you want your heat lamp back on? I feel it distorts their colour and the colour on their collars, so it's harder for you guys to see. So I think a 5-minute video-ish for each of them today is all I can really talk for. And I've not talked much. So yeah, I'm not very good. But the news is Radar is settling in really well to his new home. And Apollo and Tori gained another green star yesterday, so they are now a Celtic winner as well. So I shall see you all soon. Bye.